So I've started to drink this drink once or twice a week called the Celsius Cosmic Vibe. And I pick these things up at Wawa. I think they charge like $2.75 plus tax comes out to like $3. And generally I think drinking stuff like this isn't the greatest thing to do. Like, I'm not really that pro energy drink, but I like the way they make me feel. They taste good. It's like a nice sweet treat on a hot summer day, or it's not summer yet, it's springtime. But in general, what I'm trying to say is I like these things, despite some negatives that I could mention about them. But the curious thing to me is that supposedly they have 10 calories. But I don't know if you can read this, but they also have 0 milligrams of fat, 0 milligrams of sugar or carbohydrates, and 0 milligrams of protein. So I was wondering, where do these 10 calories come from if they don't have fat, carbs, or protein? And I can only assume that Vibes also have a calorie count, and that there's 10 milligrams worth of Vibes in these things. And I kind of feel it. I kind of feel those 10 milligrams or 10 calories of Vibes kind of hitting me when I drink one of these. I kind of get a little more vibey. Now, I specifically prefer this one over the Tropical Vibes. I actually don't really like the Tropical Vibes that much. I will get them if they're out of the Cosmic Vibes. I haven't tried any of the non-vibe flavors. There's other flavors like sparkling citrus. I just haven't tried that yet because I kind of want vibes. If I'm buying one of these things, I want to get some vibes out of it. In general, these are pretty good, and I recommend them. Use with caution. There's dangerous chemicals in these things. They're not a health food, despite the fact that the labeling kind of makes it out to be like this is good for you and healthy. They're not healthy. They're actually kind of bad for you in general. But if you can use sparingly, and if you otherwise try to eat and drink in a healthy manner. Mostly I drink water. I have a coffee in the morning, usually a light or a medium roast, and then most of the rest of the day I drink water. I don't drink soda. I've given up things like iced tea and fruit juices, and I haven't drank alcohol in almost 5 years. So for me, this is a nice little once in a while thing, maybe twice a week at most, usually about once a week, because I'm also cheap. I'm frugal, and I don't like to spend money on unnecessary stuff. So sometimes I want one of these or I crave one, but I don't get it because I want to save the money.